Hi language enthusiasts. Ever been in a situation where someone says, "Thank you," and you're unsure how to respond? Let's explore 11 different ways to graciously accept thanks. The first response is, "You're welcome." It's a classic, polite response used universally. "Not at all" is another polite response, often used to dismiss the need for thanks. "Don't mention it" is a casual way to accept thanks, often used among friends. "It's no bother" is a polite response, often used when you've done something out of kindness. "My pleasure" is a warm response, often used when you've enjoyed doing the favor. "It's alright" is a casual response, often used to reassure the person thanking you. "Think nothing of it" is a humble response, often used to downplay your contribution. "Sure thing" is a friendly response, often used in informal settings. "No problem" is a common response, often used when the favor was not a big deal. "Anytime" is a generous response, often used when you're willing to help again in the future. "Glad to help" is a sincere response, often used when you're happy to have been of assistance. Now that you know these responses, let's look at when to use them. "You're welcome" and "not at all" are best for formal settings. "Don't mention it" and "it's alright" are great for casual, friendly interactions. "My pleasure" and "glad to help" are perfect when you've enjoyed helping. "No problem" and "anytime" are suitable when the favor was easy or you're willing to do it again. "Think nothing of it" and "sure thing" are ideal when you want to downplay your contribution or keep things friendly. Remember, the best response is the one that feels most natural to you. Alright, let's dive a bit deeper into some of these responses and explore scenarios where they are most appropriate. Starting with, "You're welcome," this is often used in professional settings. For example, if you're at work and a colleague thanks you for helping with a project. Colleague A, "Thanks for helping me meet the deadline." Colleague B, "You're welcome." Next, "Not at all." This is perfect for when you've done something minor, like holding the elevator. Person A, "Thanks for waiting." Person B, "Not at all." "Don't mention it" is great among friends. Imagine you've just given your friend a ride home. Friend A, "Thanks for the lift." Friend B, "Don't mention it." "It's no bother" is ideal when you've done something out of kindness, like helping a neighbor with their groceries. Neighbor A, "Thanks for helping me carry these." Neighbor B, "It's no bother." "My pleasure" is often used in customer service. Imagine you're a waiter and a customer thanks you for good service. Customer, "Thank you for the wonderful service." Waiter, "My pleasure." "It's alright" is casual and reassuring. Use it when someone thanks you for giving them directions. Person A, "Thanks for showing me the way." Person B, "It's alright." "Think nothing of it" is humble and often used when you've done something significant but want to downplay it, like helping someone change a flat tire. Person A, "Thanks for helping with the tire." Person B, "Think nothing of it." "Sure thing" is friendly and informal. Use it when a friend thanks you for a small favor, like passing the salt. Friend A, "Thanks for passing the salt." Friend B, "Sure thing." "No problem" is common among friends and implies the favor was easy, like sharing notes. Friend A, "Thanks for sharing your notes." Friend B, "No problem." Anytime is generous and implies you're willing to help again, like after giving advice. Person A, "Thanks for the advice." Person B, "Anytime." And finally, "glad to help" is sincere and often used when you're genuinely happy to assist, like helping someone find a lost item. Person A, "Thanks for helping me find my keys." Person B, "Glad to help." So there you have it. With these expanded tips and examples, you're now even better equipped to respond to a "thank you" in various situations. Remember, the key is to match your response to the context and your relationship with the person. If you found this video helpful and want to see more content like this, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us create more informative and useful videos for you. Happy communicating!